Ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for the country. A salute to the soldiers who risk their life for our country. A salute to the citizen who makes our country proud. Come, let's know some important facts about Indian independence that you must know.
At the time of independence, India did not have an official national anthem. The song Bharto Bhagya Vidhata, composed in 1911 by Rabindranath Tagore, was renamed as Jan Gan Man and adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India as the national anthem on 24 January 1950. The current flag, with saffron white and green strips with 24-spoke Ashok Chakra, was officially adopted on 22nd July 1947 and hosted on 15th August 1947. Although the Indian Independence Act was approved on 18 July 1947, Lord Mountbatten chose 15 August as the date of Indian independence. The national song Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chand Chatterjee, was indeed a part of his novel in 1880s. The song was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896. Vande Mataram was adopted as a national song on 24 January 1950. Even after India attained independence on 15 August 1947, Goa was still a Portuguese colony. It was annexed to India by the Indian troops only in 1961. Thus, Goa was the last state to join the Indian territory. Apart from India, 5 other countries celebrated Independence Day on 15th of August. So, these were some important facts about Indian independence. Now, here comes 2 students from a school to share their views on independence.
I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. Today we have gathered celebrated 74th Independence Day. This is a really national great event. India got a freedom 15th August 1947 from British ruling. Independence Day hold a lot of significance in the live Indians, as on this day we got a freedom after a long struggle of the thousands of freedom fighters and great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Vallabhbhai Patel and many more. They all sacrificed to live get independence from British, who ruled the country more than 200 years. Independence Day is celebrated with gaiety and fervor. All the schools, colleges, offices and many places across the country in the remembrance of all our forefathers who drive the nation out of long slavery. People hoist the flag and recite the national anthem. Now it's our turn to continue this legacy of doing something great our next generation, and we will make it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
15 अगस्त का दिन है प्यारा, आज़ादी का पर्व हमारा, लाया सबके चेहरों पर मुस्कान, आया स्वतंत्र दिवस महान। खुली हवा है, खुला आकाश, फैल रहा उमंगों का प्रकाश, देश खड़ा है सीना तान, आया स्वतंत्र दिवस महान। रहे न कोई भूखा प्यासा, मन में ना हो कोई निराशा, हम सब मिलकर करें दुआ, पूरी हो सबकी अभिलाषा। ना भूलना कभी इस दिन को, ये हमारे देश की पहचान है। स्वतंत्र दिवस नाम है इसका, ये हमारे देश की शान है।